Hi everyone, my name's Lakvir and I'm here at ao.com. Today we're going to talk about issues you may face with your Xbox controller. We're going to go through solutions to get you back online. So your controller won't connect. What you can do is hold on the power button for 10 seconds to let it restart. To pair your controller to your Xbox, press the pair button on the console. Then you'll see the Xbox logo flashing. Then we're going to get the controller and press the pair button on the controller, and then you'll see the controller flashing. Once they both stop flashing, the controller will be connected to the console. So another way to connect your controller to your console is through a wired method. What you're going to do is get the USB-C end into the controller and then your USB end into the console. You will hear the control vibrate and you know it has been connected. Your controller might keep disconnecting. What you can do is make sure the batteries are fully charged or make sure you replace them. Another thing to keep in mind, there might be other wireless connections nearby, so keep the controller away from these other devices. If the controller keeps disconnecting, what you might need to do is update the firmware. Go to Settings. Then you're going to need to go to Device and Connections. After this, you're going to click Controllers and Headsets. Select your controller and choose to update. So, the buttons don't work on the Xbox controller. Get a soft cloth or compressed air and clean around the buttons. Another thing you can do is reset the controller. The way you do this is by holding down the button for 10 seconds. Another solution would be to test your controller on another device by connecting it to a PC or connecting it to a mobile phone. If your rechargeable controller isn't charging, what you can do is check the ports, checking if it has dust or damage in the port of the controller or the console, and check if the wire has been damaged. You can use the Xbox battery indicator as well. So stick drift and analog issues. Use the calibration tool. Go to Settings. Then you're going to need to go to Device and Connections. Click on Controllers and Headsets. And finally, Recalibration Options. Then use the recalibration tool. Clean around the controller by using compressed air or a soft brush. If this doesn't seem to solve the issue, you may need to think about a replacement. So to summarize, if you're still having issues with your controller, you can restart or reset the connection, you can check the batteries or the cables, or if you want to, you can make sure the update on the drivers and the firmware is completed, and finally, you can use a wired connection for reliability.